We are here at a new build at Carmelita Gardens. Carmelita Gardens is a completely off-grid, self-sustainable riverfront community in the Cayo district. And we have shown this home before, and I want to show you some of the updates about what has happened inside. It is such a cute home. It is a spin-off, the Cottage model that they offer here at Carmelita Gardens. But this owner, Joyce, who is one of my favorite people in the entire world, she's so charismatic and fun, and she's planning to live here full-time. But Joyce has decided to do a 1-bed, 1.5 bath, and then have an additional loft space upstairs. And that loft really can be used as a second bedroom, office, storage, whatever she wants it to be. But let's go take a look inside and see all the progress just over the last couple weeks. When Joyce was designing her home, there were a few factors that she looked at. Number one was location on the lot. So she wanted to move her home over to the side towards the edge of her lot because she wanted space for a potential future build should she decide she wants to do that. In addition to that, she added a palapa to enjoy her outdoor space. And then behind me, you can see the back of the house. One of my favorite parts is that little Rapunzel balcony. I just think it's the cutest touch to the home. But then also in her screened-in porch, she has an outdoor shower, which is just delightful here in the tropics. And last but not least, you'll see tons of storage throughout the entire home. That's something, especially when you're living within smaller spaces. That home is only about 20 by 18 plus the loft space. But when you're living in those smaller spaces, it is going to be really important for you to have the pantries, the closets, and utilize every nook and cranny that you can to ensure that you are able to get everything and fit everything into the home that's important to you. So this is just one example of a new build here at Carmelita Gardens. As you can see, there's a lot going on here on site. We are so excited for this home to be completed. And Joyce is here on site, and she has been watching the construction of her home. And it's been so exciting. We did do a walkthrough with Joyce about 3-4 weeks ago. I'll put the link in the description below so you can see how much has transpired over the last few weeks. With that, everyone, thanks again for tuning in. We look forward to seeing you here in Belize. My name is Rachel Jensen, and have a great day.